from Cali Crisp. I got the chef right here. Chef, what do we have here?
So right here you have Hennessy barbecue and mango habanero.
Wait. You said Hennessy barbecue.
Yes, sir. Hennessy barbecue.
That's what I'm talking about. Which one's a Hennessy barbecue? This one right here, right? I'm sorry, this one.
Yeah.
Guys, look at the wings. They're crispy. I mean, perfect, right? You crisp.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, I'm going in, chef.
Go ahead.
I'm going in.
Bon appetit.
Wow. Wow. Freaking amazing, guys. The sauce is so good. The sauce is amazing. The crisp on this. Look at this guy. Can you guys hear this? Crazy good. Guys, give him a follow, give him a like. Tell him Jimmy Sauce.